Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay. So for today's video, I am going to show you how I redid my hair. I did my roots. As you can notice, there's no more black. Just a warning, don't do this at home if you have not researched anything about bleaching your hair, and if you don't know the current status of or current health of your hair, because sometimes you might think that your hair is healthy. Once you start your treatment, it just starts falling off. So don't do this at home. Consult a professional before doing this on your own, and just research on what to do, how to do it safely, and stuff like that. It took me so much work to get to this color. It's still orange at the very top. There's like a portion here in between. I'm always scared to do my hair because like the overlapping, if I'm not careful, it will just break. So but today I'm going to show you how I did my hair, how much treatment I got, and what products I've used. If you guys want to know how I did my roots and how I came up to this color, just keep on watching and let's get started. So this is what my roots are looking right now. It's very dark, and I kind of want my hair to be same shade as the bottom of my hair, but it's gonna take a lot of treatment for me to get to that point. I tried this clear roll bleach. I found it at Sally's, and to be honest, I did not like it. It's not strong enough for my hair, and it took me a lot of treatment just to get to the color of my hair at the moment. This is my second time doing my roots again, but the first time it was a little bit shorter than this, and I thought I had it all planned out. I can have a plan on how to do this, but I quickly realized while doing my hair it's really hard, especially bleaching where the old and new hair meet up. It's really scary because if you overdo it with a bleach, your hair will break off where the blonde and the black hair meet. So it's really scary. So all throughout the video you will see me just kind of like, you know, going with the flow and testing out which process is the best for my hair. Right here you can see that I'm wrapping the blonde, the lighter hair with foil, and then put the bleach like up top with my hand, and as you can see later it will change up on how I did it, but I want you to guys to watch how I do this, and it's much easier for you to just watch this instead of me trying to explain everything. On the second application, I did messed up because I let the bleach touch my scalp, and because of the 30-minute processing time, I ended up having a really sore scalp, and also not so much of a hot roots because of the type of bleach that I used, but I was in pain, and by the time I was done my second application, I was like hurting. That was not a great idea. You don't have to put too much bleach on your roots because your scalp has a natural heat that will lighten up your hair. So here you can see the first application and the second application. It did lighten a lot,
but I'm not satisfied with the color. It's not light enough for me to go tone it. So I'm going to do another treatment. This time I'm going to use the quick blue bleach, and we'll see how it goes. This is just a disaster. It's very late at night and my hair is still orange after so many treatments. I'm surprised that my hair didn't break off because honestly I applied so much bleach on my hair. But it's super late and I cannot go to work with an orange hair, so I decided to do a coloring. I was gonna do a shadowing technique, but my hair is orange and I know it's not gonna work, but I did it anyways. I don't know why. And at this point my scalp is hurting so bad and I just want to get it done. So I use the 7A Color Charm. It's a semi-permanent color. It's darker on the roots. And then Voila T18 on the rest of my hair. So I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I'm gonna show you the second part of it next time because it's gonna be a super long video. But I'm gonna leave it here and we'll see how it goes in the next video. So tune in. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you on the next part of this video. Bye!